The flavor blend of bananas and chocolates are so wonderful, and this banana chocolate chip muffins are soft and moist and they are super delicious. And in this video we are going to make them in an easy one bowl method. We are going to add in all our ingredients into a bowl and mix them all together to form our muffin batter in less than 5 minutes. So let's see how easy it is to make this banana chocolate chip muffins. Into a bowl, I'm adding 3 well-ripe bananas. I'm using a fork to mash them up. Just make sure there are no big chunks of bananas are left. And now adding 2 eggs and sugar. Here, along with white sugar, I'm adding some brown sugar as well. It gives a nice caramel flavor to our muffins. And if you don't want to add brown sugar, we can use the same amount of white sugar instead. Adding 1/4 of a cup of yogurt and 1/3 of a cup of oil. Here I've used sunflower oil. We can use any flavorless oil or melted butter instead. And now combine them all together to form a homogeneous mixture. And before adding the flour, I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder into this, and give it a good stir so that all our ingredients get evenly distributed in the flour. And now adding this flour mix into our bowl, I'll mix them together. And when they are almost combined, I'm adding the chocolate chips. I'm saving some for later so that we can sprinkle the top with some chocolate chips. And at this point, we should keep in our mind that if we overmix the batter after adding flour, it may cause the development of gluten strands, which can result in tough and rubbery banana muffins. So I'm using the minimum folds and stalks to mix them together. And I'm stopping mixing just when I feel they're all just combined. Now line the muffin tray with paper cups and now scoop the batter onto the cups. I'm filling the cups almost a little higher than 3/4 of those cups, as they will rise a little when baked. And now sprinkle the top with some more chocolate chips. And now they are ready to go into the oven. And I'm placing the baking tray onto a 400-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven and bake for 5 minutes, and then reduce the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for another 18 to 20 minutes. And after baking, we'll get a soft and moist banana muffins with melty chocolate chips in between. So let them sit in the muffin pan for 2 to 3 minutes and then transfer them onto a cooling rack. And this banana chocolate chip muffins are one of my family favorites, and it's so good that we can make them in less than 35 minutes. And we don't need to do any prior preparations, or we don't need to have any special equipments to make this banana muffins. And so I hope you found this recipe super easy to make, and I hope you will make this at home, and I'm sure your whole family will love it. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this easy muffin recipe with your friends and family. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.